Now let's continue with the build-up questions on cells. Okay, so we are given square root of 8 plus 5 root 32 minus 4 root 50 on 1 plus square root of 18. All right, so let's reduce them. Okay, we know we have 8 here, which is the same as 4 times 2, and the 4 is a perfect square. So from here, I can write this one as 4 times 2 plus, so remember 32 can also be written as 16 times 2. Okay, so 16 times 2, and we have minus 4. Remember 25 times 2. Okay, that is 50, and we have 1 plus 18 is 9 times 2. Now, have you noticed something? So we have 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, it means we have a perfect square times 2, perfect square times 2, perfect square times 2, perfect square times 2. All right, so that is how these questions work. Okay, all right, so we can write this one as square root of 4 times square root of 2. That would be 2 root 2. I mean, this when we have this the same as square root of 4 times square root of 2, whereby this one will give us 2. Multiplying this one will be 2, 2. Okay, so I don't want to waste time here. So this side will be, so 4, that is 2 root 2 plus, so this one will be 5 times, so this one will be 4 root 2. Okay, minus 4 times 25, 5 times root 2. Okay, on, now this side will be 1 plus, now this side 3 root 2. Okay, so we can deal with the numerator. So 2, so this side is same as 5 for 20. Okay, 5 for 20. You have 2, 2, 5 for 20, on 1 plus 3, 3 with 2. So this one will cancel, they are the same, whereby this side will be 2 with 2 on 1 plus 3 with 2. Now from here, don't forget that we are not done yet. So we need to rationalize this one. Okay, so we can probe further by rationalizing it. So that will be this over 1 plus 3 with 2. And remember, we can only do that by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So the conjugate is when we change the sign. So minus 3 with 2, 3 with 2. Okay, so from here we can multiply the numerator, so that will be this time that, so we can write this one as this, use brackets, and don't forget this one, difference of 2 squares. So a squared plus minus b squared is the same as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so this one I won't waste time, so I'll pick 1 squared minus 3 with 2 all squared. Remember in the previous video, okay, I made mention of this one in the previous video, so you can go back and check that. Okay, so from here We have 2, this one times 1 minus this one times that. The coefficients will multiply 6, and this one also multiply 2. Okay, so we have 1 minus this one squared 9. Okay, 9 times 2. So this one squared, we remove the with sign. Okay, so we have 2 minus 12 on 1 minus 18. So that would be 2 minus 12 on minus 17. Okay,